Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on two-step verification in your Gmail account. Actually, two-step verification is really very important for our Gmail account. Through this step we can secure our Gmail account from hackers. So we must need to turn on two-step verification in your Gmail account. So let's start how to do this. First of all, go to Play Store, and then make sure your Gmail application is already up to date. After updating your Gmail application, just click here Open option. Then need to click here your profile icon. Then click here your Google account option. And after that just swipe right, then need to click here security option. There you can see how you sign into Google. Here click on two-step verification. Now wait for a few seconds, and then click here Get Started. Here sometimes it will ask for your Gmail password. So if it asks, then just give your Gmail password. So after that just click here Continue option. Continue again. Now select your country code and enter your phone number. After giving it, you can see in here text message and phone call. So you can choose text message, otherwise you can choose phone call. After that click to send option, and wait for a few seconds. It will send some OTP code into your number. There you can see this is the code number. After writing it just click here next option, and wait for a few seconds. Then turn on two-step verification, or you can go back, and refresh this interface. Again click on two-step verification option, and turn on it. And your two-step verification is just turned on. Now let me get back from there, and let me refresh it. And you can see there is the two-step verification is already turned on. So this is the easiest process you can turn on two-step verification in your Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get more useful video.